para sa mga taga Central Luzon na gustong tumakas saglit sa trabaho at mag-unwind. Damhin ang kalikasan at gustong ma-experience yung glamping vibe. Tara, sagot kita at may pupuntahan tayo ngayong araw na siguradong swak na swak sa panlasa mo at mag-e-enjoy ka. Time out muna tayo sa camping at medyo low-key na staycation muna yung gagawin natin. Excited ka na ba? Oo siya. Tara na sa Inara.
Sabi mo, David? David? Hoy, David.
Soft drinks? Sama?
Ay, tumalit na.
When we wake.
Medyo nakakapanibago yung biyahe namin ngayon kasi mas magaan yung dala namin kumpara sa mga naging lakad namin before. Hindi kasi namin kailangan mag-tent this time dahil staycation yung gagawin natin. Kaya mas komportable at mas mabilis kaming nakarating din sa destination. You and I, the future is bright.
Parang siguro dito na lang po sa gilid. Bonnie Cancino po.
Hindi, yung screenshot nyo po ng sarili nyo.
Wala yata signal, yung problema.
Hindi madami siya po ng ninyo. And then signature.
With dog, lagi na lang namin. With dog, hindi na.
Hindi na po.
Okay,
Okay.
sige.
Basta be responsible na lang po
Okay,
sa
sige.
aso.
One word para describe yung lugar ay katahimikan. Literal yan kasi bago pa lang tong campsite at wala pang masyadong pumupunta. Hindi rin ganun kamahal yung accommodation nila. Imagine for only 800 pesos, may enjoy nyo na yung isang TP house nila at lahat ng amenities. Ang mura, diba? Malinis yung CR. May kusina kang magagamit sa pagluluto. At sobrang accommodating ng mga staff nila pag may kailangan ka. Bonus na lang siguro yung ganda ng tanawin na makikita mo mula rito. Kaya, saan ka ba? Astig, diba? Special tong lakad namin ito dahil first time namin isasama yung anak namin may buntot na si David. Kaya bago kami mag-asikaso ng hapunan, hinayaan muna namin siyang i-enjoy yung lugar, or should we say, ma-enjoy namin yung lugar. Sa mga nakaraang lakad kasi namin lagi namin siyang naiiwan at na-realize namin na napakaikli lang ng buhay nila. Kaya hanggat maaari, gusto naming ma-experience niya at mapuntahan yung mga lugar na napupuntahan namin.
Come on, come on, come on.
heard you got a new best friend. Yeah, it hurts a bit, I won't pretend that it doesn't matter that you're with someone else. In a way, that's how it's supposed to be. If I'm unable to make you happy, then it's for the better that you are not with me. That's why I wrote you a letter, 'cause you see, I write so much better than I speak. And I need to tell you, you were my best friend till the end. I hope I'll be happy without you, but right now I don't know what to do. It's hard to get over, you chose someone else, a new best friend. Doesn't feel like it was long ago. We were head over heels in love, thought it lasts forever, but somehow we got lost. Looking back, I didn't realize what was wrong with me. I can't deny I took you for granted. You finally had enough. That's why I wrote you a letter, 'cause you see, I write so much better than I speak. And I need to tell you, you were my best friend till the end. I hope I'll be happy without you, but right now I don't know what to do. It's hard to get over, you chose someone else, a new best friend. Best friend, yeah, it hurts a bit, I won't pretend that it doesn't matter that you're with someone else. That's why.
Sa mata. Makalamok. Ano ka pilis-pilis ah. Ano mo, hindi na mo nalaglag. Huwag mo lang ayun yun man. Shot ka na, kumakain tayo naman. Hindi mo na? Dumi ako pa isa. Seems like forever.
Ang sarap lang sa feeling ng ganito, no? Pupunta kayo sa isang tahimik na lugar at mag-uusap na lang tungkol sa buhay. Hindi na masyadong gumigimig at mas pinili na lang yung tahimik na trip. At sa totoo lang, hindi mo naman kailangan gumastos ng malaki para mag-unwind at mag-relax paminsan-minsan. Kaya tayo nagtatrabaho para ma-experience yung mga gantong bagay sa mundo. Hindi tayo nabuhay para magtrabaho lang. Pare, maniwala ka. Kailangan mo to.
But I'm finally coming home. Till then I'm dreaming of your heart, your eyes, our love. Darling, I can't wait till I see your face. Oh God, I miss you bad. The only thing I need is you beside me. Oh God, I miss you so bad. It's been so long, I know, but I'm finally coming home. Till then I'm dreaming of your heart, your eyes, our love. Your heart, your eyes, our love.
So, sana nag-enjoy kayo sa pagsama sa saglit na staycation namin ni Chrisma. Lagi kong bilin sa inyo, walang perfect time para mag-travel. Kasi, laging perfect ang lahat kung perfect ang kasama. Kaya, tara, travel na. Ako si Von. At ito ang biyahe ko. Maraming salamat sa pagsama sa amin mga ka-road trip. Hanggang sa muli. Ingat.